Good morning students, welcome to Shivaji Group of Institutions online classes. So this is a maths class and today we will start our new chapter, chapter 8. The chapter name is multiples and factors. Okay students? So in our previous class we finished chapter 7. So you all have to revise all the exercises of chapter 7. So students, today's chapter is multiples and factors. So first we will discuss the multiples. Okay, what are the multiples? Look, 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 5. 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15. 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. And 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25. So students, multiples of 5. These are the multiples of 5. These are the multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, etc. These are the multiples of 5. Multiples of 6. Multiples of 6 is equal to 6, 12, 24, etc. Okay. So if anyone asks the multiples of 12, the multiples of 12 is equal to 12, 24. Okay. The multiples of 12, 24, 36, 48 and 60. If anyone asks 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. Okay. So 3 and 4 is the multiple of 12. Understood? So here 12 is a multiple of 3 and 4. 12 is a multiple of 4 and 12 is also a multiple of 3. Understood? Here 1 multiplied by 12 is equal to 12. So 12 is a multiple of 1 and 12 is a multiple of 12 also. Okay. So students, let's start our exercise 8A. Exercise 8A is based on multiples. Okay. So question number 1. 36 is a multiple of 9. 36 is a multiple of 9. Yes. 36 is a multiple of 9. Because 9 is divided by 36. 9 is divided by 36. If any number is divided by the number, then we can say that the number is the multiples of the given number. Understood? So next, 49 is a multiple of 7. 49 is a multiple of 7. We divide 49 from 7. 7 7 is 49. So we can say that 49 is a multiple of 7. 49 is a multiple of 7. 95 is a multiple of 12. 95 is not divided by 12. So we can say that 95 is not a multiple of 12. 95 is not a multiple of 12. Understood? Next, 103 is a multiple of 1. Yes. 103 is a multiple of 1. 1 multiplied by 103 is equal to 103. So we can say that 103 is a multiple of 1 and 103 is a multiple of 103 also. Any number is a multiple of 1 and the number itself. Okay? Any number is a multiple of 1 and the number itself. Understood? Next, 120 is a multiple of 14. 120 is not divided, 120 is not divided from 14. Okay, so 120 is not a multiple of 14. Next, 6 is the least non-zero multiple of 6. Yes, 6 is the least non-zero multiple of 6. Next, 60 is the greatest multiple of 6. No, 60 is not a greatest multiple of 6. The multiples of 6, multiple of 6, 12, 18, etc. So we can say that 60 is not the highest multiple of 6. Okay, there is no end to multiples of a number. Yes, there is no end to the multiples of a number. Question number 9. Fifth multiple of 9 is 45. Fifth multiple of 9. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 45 is the fifth multiple of 9. 45 is the fifth multiple of 9. Okay. Question number 10. 1 is the multiple of 5. 1 is the multiple of 5. No, it's wrong. 5 is the multiple of 1. 5 is the multiple of 1. So students, next part B, write the next 4 multiples. Write the next 4 multiples. Okay. So the question number 1 is given 12, 24 and 36. And we have to find the next 4 multiples of this number. Next 4 multiples of 12. The next 4 multiples of 12 is 48, 60, 72 and 84. The next 4 multiples are this. Understood? Next, question number 2. Find the next 4 multiples. Next 4 multiples, 9, 18 and 27. 36, 45, 54 and 63 are the next 4 multiples of 9. Okay. Question number 3. 14, 28, 42. Next 4 multiples. So next 4 multiples are these are next 4 multiples of 14. Okay, understood? So question number 4, 5 and 6 you have to do both three questions yourself. Okay. Next part C, answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Okay. Is 72 is a multiple of 9? Is 72 is a multiple of 9? Yes. Now find it. 72 is fully divided by 9. So we can say that 72 is a multiple of 72 is a multiple of 9. 9 means the So 72 is a multiple of 9. 72 is the 8th multiple of 9. 8th multiple of 9. Okay. Question number 2. Is 144 a multiple of 16? Yes, 144 is fully divided by 16. So we can say that 144 is a multiple of 16. Next, question number 3. Is 168 a multiple of 21? Yes. 166, 68 is a multiple of 21. Question number 4. Is 169 a multiple of 14? No. 169 is not divided to 14. So 169 is not a multiple of 14. Is 220 a multiple of 25? No. 220 is not fully divided to 25. So 220 is not a multiple of 25. Rest all the questions do yourself. Now come to our next part, part D. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. 12 multiplied by 8 is equal to 96. 12 multiplied by 8 is equal to 96. The first equation, 12 multiplied by 8 is equal to 96. So means 96 is a multiple of 96 is a multiple of 12 and 8. 96 is a multiple of 12 and 8. Okay. Next question number 2. 12 multiplied by 13 is equal to 156. Means 156 is a multiple of 12 and 13. 156 is a multiple of 12 and 13. Question number 3. 15 multiplied by 18 is equal to 270. Means 270 is a multiple of 15 and 18. Understood? Question number 4 and 5. Do both the questions yourself. So students, your exercise 8A is finished. Okay. So next in our next class we will start exercise 8B based on factors. Okay students. So it's enough for today. Now write down your homework. Complete exercise. Complete exercise 8A. Complete exercise 8A. Okay. Thank you class.